Ready to test your road sign knowledge? You'll face real US traffic sign questions, just like the DMV test. Fast-paced, fun, and perfect to check if you're ready to pass. You'll get 50 traffic sign questions. You'll have only a few seconds to answer each one. Write down how many you get wrong. At the end, check your score and see how strong your road sign knowledge is. Let's hit the road! Question 1. A. Curvy lane. B. Winding road. C. Curve warning. Winding road. The road ahead curves back and forth. Reduce your speed and drive carefully. Question 2. A. Caution. B. Stop. C. Slow. Stop. You must come to a full stop at the line. Yield to other cars and pedestrians before moving. Question 3. A. Yield. B. Lane closed. C. Wrong way. A. Yield. Slow down and let other traffic go first. Yield signs mean give the right of way. Question 4. A. No U-turn. B. All turns. C. Right turn only. A. No U-turn. This sign tells you U-turns are not allowed at this location. Question 5. A. Icy road. B. Flood area. C. Slippery when wet. Slippery when wet. Slippery conditions when roads are wet. Reduce speed and avoid sharp turns. Question 6. A. Playground ahead. B. Children area. C. School crossing. C. School crossing. Watch for children crossing, slow down and follow crossing guard instructions. Question 7. A. Crossing zone. B. Pedestrian crossing. C. No pedestrians. Pedestrian crossing. Yield to pedestrians at the crosswalk. Be prepared to stop. Question 8. A. Wrong way. B. Intersection. C. Do not enter. C. Do not enter. You're heading in the wrong direction. Turn around immediately. Question 9. A. Divided highway ends. B. Divided highway begins. C. Median ahead. B. Divided highway begins. Stay on your side. The road is now split by a median. Question 10. A. Bus stop. B. Railroad crossing. C. Light rail ahead. Railroad crossing. Slow down and prepare to stop. Trains may cross ahead. Question 11. A. Merge. B. Exit only. C. Turn lane. Merge. This sign warns drivers that 2 lanes of traffic will soon merge into 1. Question 12. A. Passing zone. B. 1 lane. C. 2-way traffic. 2-way traffic. Traffic flows in both directions. Stay right and watch oncoming cars. Question 13. A. Tunnel ahead. B. Bridge out. C. Narrow bridge. Narrow bridge. This sign alerts drivers that a bridge ahead is narrower than the road. Question 14. A. Fire lane. B. No parking. C. Emergency zone. No parking. This sign means vehicles are not allowed to stop or park in the area. Question 15. A. Right lane ends. B. Left lane ends. C. Reduced lane width. Right lane ends. Warns that the right lane is ending and merging is required. Can you spot the two warning signs? Correct. The signs are winding road and slippery when wet. Warning signs are yellow diamonds that alert drivers about road conditions ahead. Question 16. A. Side road. B. T intersection. C. Crossroad. Crossroad. This sign indicates an intersection where another road crosses the main road. Question 17. A. Wildlife area. B. Animal zone. C. Deer crossing. C. Deer crossing. This sign warns of deer crossing in the area. Reduce speed and stay alert. Question 18. A. Stop ahead. B. Traffic signal ahead. C. Signal zone. Traffic signal ahead. This sign alerts drivers of an upcoming traffic signal. Be prepared to stop. Question 19. A. Flagger ahead. B. Roadwork ahead. C. Closed road. Roadwork ahead. Warns of construction ahead. Slow down and watch for workers or obstacles. Question 20. A. Two-way. B. One-way. C. Split road. B. One-way. Indicates traffic flows in one direction only. Do not enter from the other side. Question 21. A. U-turn only. B. No turn. C. Left turn only. C. Left turn only. Indicates that vehicles in the lane must turn left only. Question 22. A. Bike lane. B. No bicycles. C. Bike allowed. No bicycles. This sign means bicycles are not allowed in this area or on this roadway. Question 23. A. Stay in lane. B. Pass left. C. Keep right. Keep right. This sign tells drivers to keep to the right of an obstacle or median. Question 24. A. Steep grade. B. Hill. C. Dip. Hill. This sign indicates a steep incline or hill ahead. Adjust speed as needed. Question 25. A. Loop road. B. Circle drive. C. Roundabout. Roundabout indicates a circular intersection where traffic moves counterclockwise around a center island. Question 26. A. One way. B. Wrong way. C. Yield ahead. C. Yield ahead. A yield sign is coming up. Be ready to give way. Question 27. A. Side road. B. T intersection. C. Y intersection. Y intersection. The road splits ahead into two branches, forming a Y shape. Slow down and prepare to yield or turn. Question 28. A. Two-way. B. Stop ahead. C. Merge left. Stop ahead. Be prepared to stop soon. The sign warns of a stopping point ahead. Question 29. A. Keep left. B. Left lane ends. C. No parking. Left lane ends. Left lane is ending. Merge right. Question 30. A. T intersection. B. No turn. C. Railroad crossing. T intersection. The road ends ahead and you must turn either left or right. Question 31. A. Stop. B. Merge. C. No trucks. C. No trucks. Trucks are not allowed beyond this point. Use alternate route. Can you spot the two regulatory signs? Correct. Regulatory signs are usually white rectangles with black or red symbols. They tell you exactly what is allowed or prohibited while driving. Question 32. A. Falling rocks. B. Uneven surface. C. Slippery when wet. Falling rocks. Watch for rocks on the road. They may fall from nearby slopes. Question 33. A. Stay in lane. B. No overtaking. C. Passing zone. B. No overtaking. Overtaking is not allowed in this area. Remain in your lane. Question 34. A. No horn. B. Radio zone. C. Quiet zone. No horn. Honking is not allowed in this area. Keep noise to a minimum. Question 35. A. Steep hill ahead. B. Low clearance. C. Falling rocks. Low clearance. Vehicles taller than the posted height may not pass. Use caution. Question 36. A. Route marker. B. Speed limit. C. Exit only. A. Route marker. This sign marks a numbered route. It helps guide you along highways. Question 37. A. Merge. B. Fire lane. C. Tunnel ahead. Tunnel ahead. A tunnel is ahead. Be ready for reduced visibility and limited space. Question 38. A. One way. B. End divided highway. C. Pedestrian crossing. End divided highway. The road ahead will no longer have a center divider. Prepare for two-way traffic. Question 39. B. Lane ends. C. Added lane. C. Added lane. A new lane joins the road ahead. No merging required. Question 40. A. Sharp curve. B. Chevron alignment. C. Road narrows. Chevron alignment. Chevron signs guide drivers through curves. Follow their direction carefully. Question 41. A. Merge ahead. B. Emergency lane. C. Highway exit. C. Highway exit. The green sign indicates exit ramp from the highway. Question 42. A. Children at play. B. School zone. C. Pedestrian crossing. Children at play. Watch for children nearby. Slow down and drive carefully. Question 43. A. Shared lane. B. Bike route. C. Bicycle crossing. Bicycle crossing. Watch for cyclists crossing the road. Reduce speed and stay alert. Question 44. A. Helicopter landing. B. Hotel nearby. C. Hospital. Hospital. This sign shows a nearby hospital. Be ready to yield to emergency vehicles. Question 45. A. Reserved parking. B. School zone. C. Wrong way. Reserved parking. This sign indicates parking spaces reserved for individuals with disabilities. Question 46. A. Pedestrian zone. B. Crosswalk ahead. C. No pedestrians. No pedestrians. Pedestrian traffic is not allowed in this area. Use alternate paths. Question 47. A. Slow-moving vehicles. B. Truck crossing. C. Heavy load area. Truck crossing. Watch for trucks entering or crossing the roadway. Reduce speed if needed. Question 48. A. Road work ahead. B. Advisory speed. C. End speed zone. Advisory speed. This is a recommended speed for the ramp. Adjust accordingly for safe turning. Question 49. A. Railroad crossing. B. School zone. C. Fire station ahead. Fire station ahead. Fire trucks may enter the road. Proceed with caution and yield set when needed. Question 50. A. Wildlife area. B. Animal crossing. C. Farm machinery zone. B. Animal crossing. Animals may cross the road in this area. Slow down and stay alert. Okay, my friends, that's the end of the quiz. Count your mistakes, if any. Aim for at least 80% to consider it a solid result. Check your score and see how much you've improved. Great job. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next quiz.